Good morning. It's Tuesday, February 26th, and I got my custom MagnaCut kitchen knife glued up. So I will get this one shaped. I will get it most of the way hand sanded, and then I will start a leather saya for it. I've got to check details on color and that kind of stuff. I think it's going to be black though. So really working on that one today. Outside of that, you know, a few admin things. It's Tuesday. There's always something, little bits to do and such. So other than that, that's my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey everyone. Hope you all had a great weekend. Welcome on back. Just to catch you up with what's going on in my world, I have got the sacks all taken care of. As you can see, this is a back scout carry. With the edge side down, which is apparently very traditional. I've got the knife all finished up. I'm just going to take this tape off to sharpen it and then be done with it. Give it some last little touch-ups and be on with that. Call the customer who is waiting for it. And then I got these two down to hand sanding. So I've got a bone and a brass woven carbon fiber. Very excited for those, and then I will get into a custom and a refurb, coincidentally enough, for the same person that will be coming up in this month and next month. So I have those two I'm going to try and knock out in the same go for the same guy. Great guy by the name of Charles. If you're watching, appreciate you, and we'll be showing you updates as we do that. This is going to be the majority of my day, as well as whatever else comes. It is Tuesday for industry sharpening, so we may be busy on that as well. Now we are going to go into our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about another new case knife that came in. This is another two-bladed trapper, and this is a bone that they dyed and then they jigged it, manipulated it to make it look like a pine cone. We don't know exactly how they did this one. Typically you can tell a little bit, but literally that just looks like a really cool carved job to me. So very traditional with the trappers. You've got the trailing point kind of Bowie-esque blade, and then you've got the sway point. All the hardware inside of it is brass, so it gets that super shiny. And it's, as opposed to putting a shield on it the way they usually did, they just carved case out of the bone as well, which is nice, and it's a bit different, so kind of cool.
That is kind of cool. And the steel on this is the stainless, correct?
This is, yeah, they're true sharp stainless.
Right on. All right, y'all. We're going to start the week here, wrap it up. See you on the next one, per usual. Peace.